All right, you guys, I wanted to help everybody out and make a quick tutorial today on how to use your key fob with the push button ignition if you have no battery or the battery is dead. I get a lot of people that come in and they say, man, I couldn't start my car. My battery was so low it barely recognized it. This is after a few years of use or whatnot. Let me tell you, there is a way. There's no place for you to put this to turn it on in an ignition source, but Nissan was very intelligent. So this is the key fob to this 2018 Murano. And you can see I've actually taken the battery right out of it. So for this vehicle, you can see it says no key detected. If I press these buttons, nothing's happening because there's nothing powering this fob. So what do? How do we start the vehicle? If I press the push button, nothing happens. It still says no key detected. I put my foot on the brake, press it, nothing's happening. Well, what we do is we take the key fob that has no power source, we put our foot on the brake, we tap it to the start button. Holy cow, it starts. They've actually put a circuit in there that'll recognize this key, and you can start your vehicle, which is awesome. The other thing that I guess a lot of people don't know is on the back of these, there's a little tab you can just pull over, and there is actually a key that goes inside of there. You know, this key right here fits inside of there. And everyone asks me, but you said there's no place to put that key. Well, there's no place to start the vehicle with this key, but this is how you unlock your driver's door if the key fob has completely died or something happens, it got wet, whatever happens, you can't get in the vehicle. You can actually unlock the driver's door with this, then get in, press this to the ignition and drive, and hopefully go replace the battery in your key fob. But anyways, that's a little fail-safe for you. Just want to make a video on that, and now you know how to start a vehicle with a push button ignition with no battery in the fob. All right, have a great day.